be denied by any who are willing to pay the slightest respect to the testimony of their fellow men. That Jesus died upon the cross and was buried in the tomb of Joseph of Arimathea did literally rise again from the dead.
Celebration, we're calling out to every nation. Spread the word that Jesus is alive. We're people of the kingdom. His resurrection is our freedom. For every heart, every tongue, every tribe. We will dance with the one that shines brighter than the sun. We'll lift our eyes up and we holy fire. Living His name is our desire. And we know His Spirit is in this place. Extending between us. We carry the love that has redeemed us. He is life abundantly given to us in mercy. We will dance for the one who shines brighter than the sun. Lift your eyes up and